Blessed day, everyone. I am Mr. Lita Rogel. Together with my co-researcher, Nina Spinelli and Imelda Siman, we are here to present our study titled Readiness and Anxiety Level of Grade 7 Learners Attending In-Person Classes at Trece Martires City National High School. Due to COVID-19, schools in all levels were forced to close for student safety. Different distance learning modalities were practiced. This year, the education system started the implementation of the in-person attendance to classes. Aside from the preparation and strategies to be used inside class, the status of the learners must be considered. Students attending in-person classes have different learning styles and needs. One of the considerations this school year is the anxiety of students to attend classes caused by 2 years of staying at home. The mentioned information encouraged the researchers to conduct the study to determine the significant relationship of students' readiness and anxiety level of grade 7 learners in attending in-person classes at Trece Martires City National High School. The sudden shift from the distance learning modality to in-person attendance to classes due to pandemic consider the following factors. Study of Okui et al. 2021, anxiety experienced by teachers teaching in face-to-face classes during pandemic. It was also explained by Ali et al. 2016 that there is a relationship between the readiness for online learning and social interactional anxiety. In terms of readiness, majority of the parents are ready to allow their children to take face-to-face learning in school during the new normal period, Sewang et al. 2021 and Fitria 2022. Several literatures were presented. However, the readiness and anxiety level of learners to attend in-person classes was not mentioned. This makes the study different from the others.
For the methodology, the study utilized a descriptive correlational research design. The respondents of the study were the 298 grade 7 students from the general curriculum of TMC NHS. Survey through a questionnaire was used to gather data. Weighted mean, Likert scale, and person product moment correlation were utilized to analyze the gathered data. From the data on Table 1, it was proven that in terms of self-advocacy, students are becoming ready to attend in-person classes with a mean of 3.85 interpreted as approaching to readiness. Likewise, in terms of academic skills, it was discovered that learners are slowly adapting to in-person classes with a mean of 3.72 and also interpreted as approaching readiness. Anxiety level of grade 7 learners are presented in Table 2. From the responses, it was found out that students experience mild anxiety level in attending in-person classes. Additionally, it was noted from the data that students experience moderate anxiety level when they are dealing with expectation and relationship with their classmates. Table 3 presents the data result from person product moment correlation. Since the computed value of R is negative 0.3765, this indicates that there is a negative correlation between the readiness level of the learners and their anxiety in attending in-person classes. It can be pointed out from the result that as grade 7 learners progresses and becoming ready in attending in-person classes, their anxiety level in attending in-person classes decreases. Result of the study will serve as baseline data for the constructive recommendation in accord with the response of the key informants. This can be used on the formulation of action plan of the guidance coordinators, focusing on the readiness of the learners in teaching the psychosocial activities to grade 7 learners. Also, this research may be useful in the conduct of the same research studies to different grade level in the same school. For the implication, results of this study gave awareness to the teachers and school administration on the readiness and anxiety level of grade 7 learners in attending in-person classes. This can be used as guide in crafting block session and in-service training that address the needs of the learners. Also, findings of this study can be used as baseline data for guidance coordinators in the development of action plan in the conduct of psychosocial activities for grade 7 learners. For our conclusion, first, grade 7 students belonging to general curriculum are approaching towards readiness in attending in-person classes. Second, on average, grade 7 students experience a mild anxiety level in attending in-person classes. And lastly, there is a negative correlation between the students' readiness in attending in-person classes and their anxiety level. For our recommendation, the school must continue to assess the readiness level of learners in attending classes. In this way, proper intervention can be formulated for the benefits of the learners. Also, the school must provide a program that will help or assist the learners, enabling them to be mentally and emotionally prepared in attending in-person classes. Lastly, these are the references that guide the researchers in the conduct of the study. This ends our presentation. Thank you very much.